Welcome back. In this video we shall talk about height and width in CSS. In CSS you can assign height as a property to an HTML tag, and you can assign width as a property to an HTML tag also. So in this video, using this example, we shall be assigning a height and a width to the wrapping element that we have here, which is the div tag. So let's go to our browser and check what we have now. As you can see, we have welcome, you can have a seat. The core of our tutorial is easy learning. Now let's get back to our VS Code. Let's assign a height to a div tag using the inline CSS method that we talked about previously. Now, to assign a height to this, let's first of all assign a background color so we can see the effect of the height. Background color, let's say gray, and let's save this. Let's refresh the browser. As we can see, our div tag, our wrapping tag, has turned gray, and gray is the background color to every other tag we have in the wrapping tag. So let's go back. Let's assign a height now to a div tag. Say height and set it to 600 pixels. You represent that as px. Now let's go to our browser to see what we have. Let's refresh. 300 pixels is actually not enough to cover the whole content we have in the wrapping div. So let's now deal with width. Let's say width. Let's assign some pixels to the width of our wrapping tag. Let's say 400 pixels. Let's refresh our browser to see what we have. As you can see, the width that was spanning across the whole page has been reduced to 400 pixels. Now let's change our height to 400 pixels also. Let's make it even. This is better. So this is how to use the width and the height properties in CSS. You can learn how to use more properties in CSS, and when using properties for dimensions, for measurements, I advise for now you stick to using pixels. Don't forget to watch the next video, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.